Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Library. In today's video, we will cover insert command in SQL. In previous video, we have seen create command, how we can create a table using create command in our database. Uh, I hope you have watched that video. In today's video, we will start with insert command. We will cover all the command one by one. So let's get started with insert command. So let's go to our Oracle SQL developer. So this is my query editor. We have created this table employee info in our last video. So only the structure is created. As you can see here, uh, there is no data in this table. So we will try to insert some data in this table by using insert command. So insert command is used to insert a data into a table or record into a table. So there are two ways to insert the data into a table. So I will explain the both. The first one is you can write as insert into your table name. My table name is employee info. So I will write as insert into employee info, then bracket open, then I have to specify the first column. My first column is ID, then first name, then last name, then email. Likewise, I have to specify my column names, then I have to write a keyword like values, then I'll write all the values as first ID, like I will give 1, then first name I will give it as Ken. In single quote I have to give those names, so I will name it as Ken. Then last name I will give it as Williamson, and then comma, and again single quote I will email ID as ken@hotmail.com. This is only for example, so I will give it like this: complete the single quote, complete the bracket, and if I run this, one row inserted. Now if I see in my table, select star from employee info, that record will be inserted. So likewise I can insert my records into my table by using insert command. So if I want to insert a second, then I will simply write here second record to, then Steve Smith, Steve. If I run this, see my record will be inserted. This is one method to insert a record into table, like insert into your table name, then bracket open, first column, second column, third column, fourth column, then values, and in values you have to give a particular value for that column. Like for ID I will give 2, for first name I have given Steve, last name I have given Smith, and for email ID I have given steve@hotmail.com. Likewise I can insert my record into my table. There is one more method to do the same thing. Like I can directly write as insert into my table name employee info, and directly I can write my values. Like I have to give on the keyword like values, then I can directly write the values in same order. I have to give that, like first in values bracket open, and I have to give first value as id. Id cannot be blank, like I cannot miss the value. I cannot directly give the first name as my first value, so I have to give first id, then first name, last name, and email. Likewise, so I will give it as 3, then first name will be Max, then last name will be one, email will be max at the hotmail.com. Likewise, I can give my values into my table. So this is another way to insert your values. I can directly give values in the same order as there is column in my table. Like for id I have given 3, for first name I have given max, last name I have given 1, and email id I have given max@hotmail.com. If I run this, see, my record is inserted. So if I go and look into my table, see, my third value is also inserted. So likewise, I can insert my values into my table. So you can practice on this. If you have any queries, then you can comment those questions into a comment box. I can reply those, and just practice on this. This is a simple, some basics of SQL, but this is important, and you have to know how to insert record into a table. So this is very easy, but you just have to you guys have to keep practice on it, so you will be able to learn SQL fastly. So just thank you, and stay tuned for next video. Like and subscribe my our channel. Thank you.